Resurgence. Survive and your team can redeploy. Eliminate targets to bring them back faster. Spotted contact. Bounty targets identified. Weapons free. Get home.
Reloading.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Mark remaining operators from that squad.
Taking
Hunt
fire.
them down. Contact squad headed your way. Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Enemy soldier incoming.
Changing mags.
Good kill. Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get
Reloading.
hunting. Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Marked a point on your map containing enemy intel. Capture and secure it to get ahead of the next gas spread. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the side.
Changing
Target
mags.
down. Marking the rest of them. Mark
Reloading.
remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. All squad mates are in the safe zone. Good work. Hold down the point until it's secure. Enemy soldier incoming. Hostile UAV in the area. Well done, soldier. Check your map for the next gas spread location.
Changing mags.
Friendly loadout drops on the way.
How do you think this ends, asshole?
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them. Supply boxes marked. Secure those locations.
Reloading.
Enemy dropping into the AO. Mark remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Changing mags.
One supply box down. 2 remain. Your squad mates back on station. Good work.
I'm hit.
Reinforcing armor.
I'm back. What
Back
did I
on
miss?
station. Go get after it. Eyes up. We're seeing unknown atmospherics in the airspace. Your squad's in the safe zone. 2 supply boxes secured.
Reloading.
1 remaining. 10 remain. You're almost done here. We've got 10 squads active in the field. Good
Changing
kill.
mags.
Marking the rest of that squad on your tac map. Get hunting. Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Reinforcing armor.
Contract complete. All supply boxes secured.
Loading new mag. Reloading.
Taking fire! Reloading. Changing
Target
mags.
down. Marking the rest of them.
Reloading. I'm hit!
This ain't gonna end well for you.
Enemy destroyed. Use your tac map to hunt down the rest of them. Resurgence window is ending. Watch your 6. Your squad mate is being tracked as a most wanted target. Eliminate enemies and secure supply caches to get that target off their back. Mark the remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down.
Changing mags.
Target down. Marking the rest of them.
Reloading.
Kill confirmed. We've located the rest of them.
Changing mags.
TACOM, get me a UAV. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mate survived. Contract complete. Enemy soldier incoming.
Care package ready for delivery.
Your squad mate is marked as a most wanted target. Kill enemies and secure supply caches to help remove the bounty on their head. Surgeons is close. No more second chances. Enemy dropping into the AO.
Reloading.
Down. Most wanted contract failed.
Changing mags.
You're in the top 5. Bring home the win. 5 squads still operational in the AO. Tracking a high-value target. Weapons hot. Some of your squad is outside the safe zone. Don't let up now. 3 squads left in the
Taking
war
fire.
zone. Stay alert.
Injecting Reloading.
Care package on standby.
Changing mag.
All bounty targets destroyed. Hell of a job. You're in the last 2. Now finish this.
You'll fight.
Less than 5 are still standing. Next time we'll take that victory. Gas is moving.
I saw the light there.